All right. Might be the last try today. Okay, not sure where the issue is coming from. Maybe let's do one thing. It's called body is if files in body I want to have files as and here body and files as files. Maybe that could help. Let's see. Nope. Okay. So here it should have the context collection.py and let's see. Because the save server endpoint is expecting two required fields: form data, file and file name. Oh, okay, interesting. Handle file uploads. So it is expecting to be having file because the server endpoint is expecting two required fields in the form data, file and file type. but they're not being sent in the request. Looking at the code in the collection viewer, you might modify the request body handling properly, including these fields. So looking back over here, files dict, is it something like this, where, oh no, but that should that be an issue? Or field name in file uploads in self-log files or items. File upload. Over here, modify it. No, like this is a API client, so I can't do it as per any API. This needs to be generic. Implementation, okay. Okay, to get solve this problem, I need to know what f does in curl. So here, if I get this right, we are missing one thing, which is, no, that could not be the issue. We are passing the name, not the value. Okay, this is a little tricky. Hmm, is there a pop-up? How do I debug this? Um, so let me do one thing. Let's change the API, for instance. So instead of calling this here, let's just print that. Right, and then let's do this, and let's run this. Okay, unprocessable content, still unprocessable content, which is little weird. Okay, now if I get this right, we are not processing the body itself. The body is not getting sent right way. Okay, so what could be the other issue? Maybe somewhere this is messing it up, right? And let's revert this change here. Let's revert this here. Okay, so that intact, and let's even remove this, and here it should not be an issue in my sense. If item dot name in data, oh, this will be an issue. Let's try out my instance. Might that work as well? Okay, so I have my instance right. This is indeed the correct value. This might be a wrong thing to do, right? And yeah, I think that is it. Sorry, did the wrong thing. Did the wrong endpoint. We need to now revert this. Let's undo this. And let's restart the app. Okay. So look, too many changes at once, I think. Let's redo this. Okay. So what happens when we upload the file there? It's not getting sent. But the file data, however, is sent correctly. That's not an issue. So let me do one thing. Initially it was doing what? Item that item tuples detect. What does tuples detect value do? Constructs that. Alright. So it takes in the tuple list, key and value in tuple list. Okay, this is indeed correct. However, for files is what we are doing wrong. Files, okay. So if we go here, build request takes in the files, which should be, oh, I got it, I think. So if we do this to request from HTTPX, where is HTTPX? Where are we inputting? Oh, here it is. So in this case right here, we can do httpx dot request file. Okay, let me check where it is, if it's even there or not. Oh, where it is, yeah. So build request takes in the files as request files, and request files is where it is. Let's find it. Request files. Okay, so that might be one issue. How to cast this? Into HTTPX request files object type. That could be an issue, right? It doesn't have a context. It just gives out anything it thinks it is, right? Let's check that.